Hey Ted Sal, I want to say something real quick on this Sunday morning. I'm standing on the spot where Miss Stacey Abrams came through when she was running for governor to bring us a couple pallets of water right after, I think, a hurricane, a tornado. And thanks. Now, the surprising thing is, well, she was alone, and I don't appreciate that. How could a statewide candidate come that close to being governor and travel alone? That's not how we do in the old school Democratic Party. In the old school Democratic Party, you have that flatbed truck, that semi-flatbed, or maybe that big Tex fifth wheel thing now, and you have every one of those candidates for statewide office from this party, the Democrat Party, standing next to each other. You have governor, lieutenant governor, attorney general, secretary of state, ag commissioner, all of them standing next to each other. So look, this is what I'm saying, is that I have on a flower tie right now. I have a preoccupation with rural areas. Somebody's running for ag commissioner. It's Tyler Harper on the Republican side, Winfred Dukes, Nakima Hemingway, and Fred Swan. I know Fred Swan personally. He ran last time. We appreciate him for that. This time, it might be somebody more qualified, but we're going to rock with whoever comes out of the primary. But Stacey Abrams needs your help now. Raphael Warnock needs your help, because they shouldn't have to run all over the state by themselves. When they come down to this part of the state, they should be on that flatbed truck with a variety of different people. So I'm going to go ahead and link on this Facebook so we can take a look at all the candidates. You decide who is going to be the best, but I personally have a preoccupation with knowing how difficult it is to travel all over the biggest state this side of the Mississippi, and I also know how difficult it is to be everywhere. Plus, grandmama and everybody else needs to go ahead and talk to the whole family down in this rural area about how important it is to vote. I think Georgia might not be quite ready for recreational use of marijuana, but the decriminalization might be something. But grandmama might need that for her medication. But the jail right down the street, or the courthouse right there, courthouse in the distance, yeah, when you're up in that place, Stacey Abrams talks about money bail. You need a labor commissioner who will talk about if your urine has weed in it, if you're not high, because you can't be high all the time, whether or not that should affect your job. You need an agriculture commissioner to make sure that if marijuana is legalized, that we definitely get money for the production and processing of that here. So anyhow, I make too many videos, but that's one thing. Check out those candidates and think who's good to stand next to Abrams and Warnock as we market the Democrat Party and what we believe against that mean-spirited Republican Party. Peace.